Welcome! In this video, we're going to show you how to connect and program a B-Station to control playback on the CueCore lighting controller. We'll be working with the CueCore3, but don't worry, everything we're about to cover applies just the same to a CueCore2 or a quad-core. On the control side, we'll be using a B-Station2. This sleek wall-mounted button panel can act as a standalone DMX controller, or, like in this case, as a user interface for another device, such as the CueCore. In our setup, we programmed the B-Station 6 buttons to control 6 different playbacks on the CueCore. Each short press will trigger a Go plus on a specific playback, and the long press will release the playback. First, let's connect the devices. We'll use a network connection and have them talk to each other using OSC messages. While Visual Productions devices also support UDP and TCP, we'll be focusing on OSC here. Make sure both the CueCore and the B-Station are on the same IP range. Then, head over to the OSC section in the B-Station settings. Add the CueCore's IP address and set the port number to match what's shown in the CueCore's OSC settings. And that's it, your B-Station is now ready to send OSC messages to the CueCore. Now, let's program the B-Station's buttons. Go to the Show Control page. Start by adding the button source to your action list. Then, create an action for button 1, short press. It's always helpful to give your actions a clear label. Set the trigger type to short press. You see, by default, trigger value is already set to button 1. Next, add a task to send an OSC message. Use the Boolean feature with the set function. In parameter 1, you define your OSC message, for example, /button1 SP for short press. Leave on in parameter 2, exit the editor, and your first button action is done. Now, simply duplicate this action for the other 5 buttons. Be sure to adjust each one to the correct button number and OSC message. To handle long presses, create another set of actions. This time, set the trigger type to long press. For each long press, send a message like /button1 LP. And again, duplicate and adjust for all 5 buttons. You can use the monitor page to make sure your OSC messages are being sent correctly. Time to move over to the CueCore. Open the monitor page to confirm you're receiving OSC messages from the B-Station. Next, go to the Show Control section and add the OSC source to the action list table. You can now create the first action for the short press message. Use the learning function to quickly capture the correct OSC message for each button. Set the task to perform a Go plus on the corresponding playback. Repeat this for the 5 other short press messages. Then, create another set of actions, this time for the long press messages. Again, use the learning function, but set the task to release the playback instead. Once you've duplicated this action across all 6 buttons, you're ready to use it. And there you have it. Your B-Station is now fully programmed to control playbacks on the CueCore. Everything you've seen here, action list, OSC messaging, triggers, can be used across the entire Visual Productions range. These tools unlock a ton of creative control for your projects. Thanks for watching, and let's talk lighting control in the next video.